An important aspect of veterinary hospital design is designing for proper noise control. When we talk about noise control design, there are two aspects, isolation and actual noise reduction. Noise reduction is a methodology used to reduce the noise level within a given space. And building materials can be evaluated based on a value called noise reduction coefficient, or NRC rating. That value is a measurement of how much reflected sound is put back into the room from noise hitting that surface. It's basically a percentage that is anywhere from 0.5 to about 0.9 is the highest NRC rating. To really be effective, look for materials that are around a 0.7 to that high-end 0.9 rating, which means they will absorb 70 to 90% of the sound that hits the surface and keep it from reverberating in the room. The other measurement of isolation is called a sound transmission class, or STC rating. That's a measurement of noise that passes through an assembly into an adjacent space and is important to isolate noise from one room to the next. An example, of course, being from a dog ward and into adjacent office spaces or other workspaces. High STC ratings are accomplished by a lot of mass that limits sound transferring through the materials. A really high STC rating is about a 0.65, and a low-end STC rating is around a 40. Those numbers represent the number of decibels that are actually reduced when the sound passes through the assembly. A barking dog is about 100 decibels, so at a minimum you need to look for about a 50 STC rating to effectively reduce the noise getting through from one room to the next. Background noise in a room is usually around 35 to 50 decibels as is, so there's really no need to reduce transferred below that level.